Hi and welcome to another day of Python programming challenges. Now today I want you to make a multi-line string, and in the multi-line string you have to use inline variables. Alright, so let's get a string to start with. Actually, start a new project. Let's go Command N is the quick way to get a new project. Alright, and put your goals at the top. Multi-line string with inline variables. Alright, so first we need our sentence or string. Let's go. Alright, let's do that. And I had some ideas, let me just find them. Here we go. Let's use this. All right, so we've got milk is good for you to drink. So we're going to substitute milk and drink. Let's just substitute those with some inline variables. And we want to make it a multi-line string. Now this is just a single string. To make it multi-line, what we have to do is add two extra inverted commas, I guess you call them. And now I can put this on the next line, and I can put this on the next line too. And another great thing about it is you can even do like these with the comma before the T. So cannot and things like that. Usually you have to escape that character by putting a extra slash in front of it, but with the multi-line string you don't have to, and it actually formats to that too. So if we were to print that, let's run it, it'll print it that way. So let's put this on the desktop, call it multi-line. And there you go. So you don't even have to put the new line characters and all that sort of thing if you're formatting it. All right, so that's done. So that's our sentence. Now to do inline characters, there's a new way to do it with Python, the latest version of Python, is you put an F in front, and this is a noun. So let's go there and go noun. And this is our adjective. I'm just going to go ADJ. And now we can change those things. So we're going to put noun, and we're going to put just something random, hot dogs or something. Let's try that. And an adjective, you could do any adjective you like to make it funny. Jump. There we go. And let's run this. So hot dogs is good for you to jump. Whoops, I got can't after there. Let's get rid of that. All right, now the only thing is this is plural. Like hot dogs are plural and this is singular is, so you might even want to change that too. What's the correct grammar term for is? Is grammar. I just want to say the right things. Collective nouns, that's it. Okay, so is for singular subjects and you've got plural subjects. So that could be quite a good challenge for you if you want to give it a go, is like detect whether an object is singular or plural, and then you have to change this. So this is anyway, someone out there who knows, like I'm not a grammar expert, so obviously, but yeah, is an R, so you'd give it its name. I just wanted to give it a variable, so I'm going to call it the joiner word, I don't know, sorry. And then you do like an if or else to decide whether the noun is plural or singular. All right, so Let's do singular equals false for now. All right. Do you have to do a capital F for false? Yep, you do. And then all we do is we do an if statement. So if the noun, or just if singular is true. Oh, sorry, you have to. I'm used to doing it another way. Here we go. Then we will change the joiner will equal. So if it's singular, it'll be is, and then just do an else. Joiner will equal are. All right. So we're manually going to do that, but there'd be a way to figure out if the noun is singular or plural. It could be that it's followed by an S, or you just have a bunch of words that you've downloaded, or you've got a list that it checks against, and it'll tell you whether it's singular or plural. So in this case, hot dogs is true. So let's change this value to true, not tour. There we go, true. And if we run it, and actually then we have to go down here and change this to our joiner word. All right, so that's how you access these variables up here. You put them in the curly brackets. So I've got the noun in the curly brackets and the adjective in the curly brackets, and we'll run that. All right, hot dogs. Oh, it didn't change it. Maybe I didn't save it. I said it's true. Okay, sorry. So it's not singular, it is plural. So let's run that again. Hot dogs are good for you to jump. There you go. So it's a silly sentence. Examples of that are like Mad Libs. So you could create up some Mad Libs and do a similar thing. And I will be doing that in a further course, get more involved with this and using the techniques that we've used here in the multi-line string with inline variables. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.